Hey guys, it's week 12 of Can You Sell Enough STL Files to Buy a Bamboo X1 Carbon? Let's find out. So last week I had a total of 936 sales, and this week it's 945. That means I've sold 9 files this week, which is every sale counts, so I'm super happy. So this week's sales are a total of 26.31 euros, which gets us to 1,082.38 euros. This brings us to a total of 664.62 euros still missing on this journey. So here's what I sold this week. A commercial version of my Kingfisher. 2 Squiggles the Squeakers, my daughter's design. A Derpy Bat, also my daughter's design. A Bitsy Gone Baby commercial version, a Bitsy Gone Slow Watering commercial version, a Surprise Bucket commercial version, and a Clover St. Patrick's Day. And last but not least, a Memphis Dice Tower commercial version. Now don't forget that this model is still free for some hours on my Cult 3D, so you can go and get your personal use version of Eggy. I will see you again in a week's time, and have a very nice weekend. Bye!